a free VA clinic is helping connect veterans right here in the Midlands to the resources that they need.
From healthcare and disability claims to housing and job support, everything you can think of. News 19's Ariana Clay was there today speaking with organizers and veterans about why clinics like this one are so important.
If you're a veteran, you know that getting access to benefits can be a long and difficult process.
You'd be surprised, I've seen, unfortunately, people not make it. When I say not make it, actually passing away while they're in the process of waiting. That's the unfortunate part.
Organizers of today's clinic say delays and confusion are among the biggest challenges veterans face when trying to access benefits.
We call this a one-stop shop. We try to give them anything, entering the VA system, getting into the medical system, help them with their VA claims.
The goal is to simplify a process that can take months.
We hope to accomplish something that would take them normally 6 months on the phone and on the computer. And we try to do it in one day.
Veterans from across the Midlands came out for help with disability claims, healthcare enrollment, housing, and job opportunities.
That when veterans or their family members come through the door, that they are treated for and cared for holistically.
Organizers say many veterans don't know all of the benefits they are eligible for.
Most veterans, they don't realize what they've earned. Not everything that they've earned. Some of them don't know that they have burial rights and they have a VA hospital that they can utilize and stuff like that.
For veterans like James Smith, who recently served in the Air Force, events like this are about building a future.
Well, I'm here for disability claims, improve, veteran way of life, get my education, pretty much use the benefits that the military afforded me while I was in, and, just try to, better my life.
He says the transition to civilian life is not always easy.
Sometimes when you get out, you don't really realize there's two different worlds with this civilian and military world. So just try to better myself every day because you never stop learning.
But Smith says clinics like this help bridge that gap.
What the veterans are doing here, they're making our life and things that we have going on a whole lot easier.
In Columbia, Ariana Clay, News 19 WLTX.
Great opportunity there. Well, the clinic will also continue tomorrow from 9 to 2 at the South Carolina National Guard Armory, which is on Old Dairy Road in the capital city.
All right, let's talk about